It's my fucking weight gainer. Alrighty, let's try this again. We're going to be unboxing the NGR Turbo Filter. It's not a regular cone filter. This is going to be, it's going to provide a lot more flow than you would think. Alrighty. Cool. Okay. So yeah, instead of running a cone, this saves a lot of space. It's going to provide a lot more flow because of the fact that, you know, there's a lot less airflow that's going to be coming through here. So I guess you just fit this over the turbo, clamp it down, and should be good to go. But got the purple to match the engine bay, which should look pretty damn sick. So yeah, let us put this on. Yo, what's up guys? So got the NGR Turbo Filter here. Gonna go ahead and install that. It's gonna look pretty nice and should help protect my turbo, so let's go ahead and do that. So you want to just kind of get it in there, make sure it's the right size, but try to get it on kind of even, and then just work it on there, just like that. Make sure it's nice and flush on there. There we go. Perfect. Dude, that's such a fucking good fit. Holy shit. Look at that. That is dope. Doesn't quite match the purple on the car, but I mean, that's fine, honestly. I'll just try to maybe rotate it a little. Yeah, I'm not worried about it. Damn. So go ahead and tighten that thing up. Actually doesn't even need too much of a tightening because it's such a good fit. Dope. Alright, so as I was finishing putting it on and tightening it up, I guess I loosened it accidentally and it just popped right out. So I guess what I have to do is line this guy back up like that, and then kind of just try to tighten it. This is fucking no room for this shit. Damn. How in the fuck did they have that on there? Alright, well, guess I'll finish it and come back. Alright, so I guess I'm just gonna take it off and do it like this. I don't think it's really possible to do it while it's on there unless you're a fucking god, so I'm just gonna do it like this. Yeah, I think I got it. There we go. Alright, so it's back on. Now let's try this again. I'll actually line it up perfectly this time. NGR Performance, just like that. There we go. Oh, almost. And it's such a good fit, you gotta get it on there perfectly. Holy fuck. Dear God, come on. Dude. What in the fuck? I just had it on there. Dude, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Alright. Ever so slightly, right there. Does not want to fucking go back on. Oh, there we go. Ooh, that was hard. Okay, if you're not experienced, it might be quite hard, but I think I got this. Alright, now don't tighten it too much. Just ever so slightly. I don't even know if I want to tighten it again, because that's what made it fucking pop off last time. I guess that's on there good enough. Alright, right there. Can't go any further than that or I bet it will pop off, so alright, we're leaving it at that. Finished product right there. Dope.